Hello and welcome to Physio Tough Highlight. Today we will be discussing Phase 3, Achilles Repair Rehabilitation.
So with Phase 3, Achilles Repair Rehabilitation, we ultimately want to begin restoring ankle mobility, proprioception, and strength.
With that being said, strengthening should follow a modified approach via attenuation of weight-bearing intensity. Gait normalization without the use of a boot should be emphasized as well.
Follow along with the rest of this post to see visual examples of interventions.